Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming you're seated in the coach with the Vandebharat Wi-Fi coverage and you have ticket details handy. Turn on Wi-Fi and turn off cellular data so your device prefers the train network. Once the SSID appears, tap Vandebharat Wi-Fi and wait for the captive portal to load. Sometimes it pops open when you open a browser. If asked, choose passenger option and enter coach and seat number. This links your session to the onboard system. After the portal appears, select passenger and fill in coach and seat exactly as on your ticket. Small typos block access. Make sure to read and accept the terms so the session proceeds. Sometimes there's a free basic tier and optional paid upgrades for higher speed. Once you submit, the system authenticates with the onboard router and external backhaul. This can take several seconds. Confirm success by loading a lightweight web page. If pages partially load, retry the portal or reselect the SSID to refresh your session. To finish, verify connectivity by opening a quick website and avoid heavy downloads during peak use to keep latency acceptable. If pages fail to load, first toggle your device Wi-Fi off and on and reopen the captive portal. That fixes most session issues. If you still have problems, re-enter coach and seat details or ask staff to reboot the onboard router. Sometimes repositioning closer to the coach hotspot helps. Remember, intermittent.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.